Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Generosity is a very noble human trait. To look after others and to look after them in a generous way is indeed something very coveted. It tells us how we feel for others, how we care for others, and how we think that mankind is one global family. To help out others and in a way in which they are really drenched by our emotions is something which is really commendable. And we must also realize that being generous to others is not just through our wealth that we have. At times we have to be generous in giving time to others. We have to be generous in using our skills for others. And then let us also be generous in thanking God for His unbounded blessings. He has given us so much that we simply cannot even count them. And of course, this is something that we have to realize, that even our own parents, even the siblings that we have, the nature around us, the sun, the moon, the stars, the wind, the atmosphere, all these are blessings of the Almighty. So let us also be generous in thanking the Almighty. Another area in which we have to be generous is appreciating others. We at times do appreciate others in our own hearts, but we have to express our appreciation for others because it really boosts their confidence. So let us also be generous in encouraging others, in appreciating them, because as I said, this is a big confidence booster and it really helps a person in his life. The third thing here, of course, is also very important, and that is, let us also be generous in accepting our own mistakes. Let's magnanimously accept our mistakes. Let's wholeheartedly accept our mistakes, because all of us are prone to mistakes. All of us do mistakes. And if we generously accept our mistake, only then there is a chance that we are able to make amends. So we must understand that generosity is not just in cash or in time or even in skills. It is also in kind, by thanking the Almighty generously, by helping others generously, by forgiving people generously, by acknowledging our mistakes generously. So generosity has a much wider connotation, and let's act upon this connotation. Thank you.